So touching base with you a little bit this morning, as you notice, I'm hanging upside down on my teeter hang-up. And yesterday doing some wiring, I tweaked my back a little bit, getting into a spot trying to get some wires around. So not too bad, but you know, I am so dumb at times because I should go through a workout routine every morning and I should hang on this. It would do my spine a ton of good. And what I do is about every 12 months or 16 months, I, totally goof my back up or shoulders or something because I try to do too much and I don't do a regular workout routine beforehand. So, I'll end up having to go through recovery time. But today's projects, we're going to kind of do a little workout here this morning, stretch out, and then we're going to continue with some wiring. It's absolutely beautiful outside. I took the dogs for a walk this morning. First time I actually got that smell of spring in the air, where you got just it smells like spring. That's just, that's about the best way to describe it. That's uplifting. That, summer warmth is going to come our way to an extent. But so I thought this would be kind of cool to do just a little teeter hang-up thing, a little different view. I got to share another mistake I made last week. I did the video on the water filters, and I had turned the hot water heater off when I did that. And I forgot to turn the hot water heater back on. So then, I jumped in the shower a little bit the next morning. And I was like, oh, crap, you dumb. But that's a minor issue. We did everything else correct. No leaks on that unit. And that is a nice little, if you haven't looked at it, I think it's iSpring. It's a great compact setup for keeping your water clean. So I think I'm going to get a little bit of wiring in today. My wife is, I think, getting a little itchy for spring too. She wants to go take a ride somewhere, anywhere. So I think this afternoon I think we're going to take a ride and go do something today. But that's kind of what we're looking at right now. Just hanging out. Catch you later. Goodbye.